Hi, and welcome to another video on the Switch Automation platform. I'm Peter Rake, Global Director of Integration for Switch, and in my previous video, I showed you a product called DX Cubed. DX Cubed does a digital device discovery and a digital audit of your building systems across either a building or your entire building portfolio. It identifies hardware that's compatible and has the ability to pull data from, so i.e. a BMS or your sub-metering system. Today I'm going to show you what to do as the next steps, bringing in the sensor points, bringing in the data so you can do analysis, fault detection, visualizations. And that's in a tool called the Site Builder, and it's in the discovery and point selection. Here's a building I've just done a discovery on. It's got 3,251 points, so a fairly small building management system for those out there who do big buildings. So it gives me the total at the bottom. I'm going to name and apply a equipment label, a display name, and an equipment type for you in this video on a piece of hardware that's labeled with the VMA. So you see I've done a filter on the object name column. These are all the raw information I get in a simplified view of raw information that we get from the building management system. Over here is where I'm going to apply a pattern or pattern recognition from our pattern library. I'm going to assign a pattern that I've already pasted from our pattern library. You can see it gives me a preview here of what the outcome's going to be from my filtered list. I'm going to apply or assign that to the filtered rows. And you can see in a few seconds that's applied equipment type, display name, and equipment label. Now through the equipment type and the equipment label, we can apply fault detection rules and visualizations for these pieces of equipment. We can also apply industry standard tagging like haystack or unique tagging through adding new tags into here. You can configure the view. If I want to see what the current value is on the network at the moment, I can actually add a current value field. And you see you got all the list of options here to customize the view. Now that all of these are applied as well, I can actually pivot these columns, so I can actually drag that up there and pivot out here. I can undo that. And now that I've labeled these points, they're obviously still filtered, I can now import them. And importing and point selection is typically a very lengthy process, a long task for building experts. And as you can see here, this cuts down that time significantly. These points are now ready to import into the Switch platform, apply fault detection, apply visualizations within the platform itself once they're imported. So hope you enjoyed the little preview to the Site Builder and point selection tool. If you need any more information, please go to switchautomation.com. Thank you.